They promised us versatility. They promised us crispy fries without the oil. But in 2026, most air fryer toaster ovens are still failing. Today, we are cutting through the marketing hype to reveal the absolute best toaster oven air fryers you can buy right now. And one of them might just replace your full-size oven forever. Starting at number 1. Chef IQ MiniOven Smart Toaster. 25 QT capacity, fast cooking with touchscreen controls, black. The Chef IQ MiniOven Smart Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines multiple cooking functions in one compact design. It features 11 different cooking modes, including baking, broiling, air frying, dehydrating, and more, making it an ideal choice for those looking to prepare a variety of meals with ease. This countertop convection oven is equipped with a powerful 1750W heating element that ensures fast and efficient cooking. With a generous 25 quart capacity, it can accommodate large dishes, making it perfect for families or entertaining guests. The appliance comes with intuitive touchscreen controls, allowing you to easily select cooking settings and monitor progress. The sleek black design not only makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen but also enhances its functionality by providing a user-friendly interface. Number 2. Typhur Sink Oven. The Typhur Sink Oven is an advanced kitchen appliance that combines the functionality of a countertop air fryer and toaster oven in one versatile unit. It features a smart AI wireless meat thermometer probe, allowing for precise cooking temperatures without the need to open the oven. The oven boasts a large capacity of 27 quarts, making it ideal for family meals or entertaining guests. This 12-in-1 appliance is equipped with 360 degrees turbo convection technology, which ensures even cooking and browning by circulating hot air around the food. It also functions as a dehydrator, allowing users to create healthy snacks by removing moisture from fruits, vegetables, and meats. Number 3. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the functions of multiple cooking devices into one. With a powerful 1800W heating element, it efficiently cooks food quickly and evenly. The unit features 8 different cooking functions, including air fry, convection, broil, and warm, making it suitable for a variety of dishes. Its spacious interior of 0.6 cubic feet provides ample space to cook multiple servings or larger items. The user-friendly 60-minute timer allows you to set precise cooking times, ensuring that your meals are cooked to perfection. The sleek stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. The TOA 70 NAS model is ideal for those looking to save space while still enjoying the convenience of an oven, air fryer, and toaster all in one. Whether you're looking to crisp up vegetables, roast a chicken, or bake a pizza, this appliance offers the versatility you need to create delicious meals with ease. Number 4. Typhur Sink 8QD AI Smart Air Fryer. The Typhur Sink 8QD AI Smart Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make cooking easier and healthier. It features a built-in wireless meat thermometer, which allows for precise cooking by monitoring the internal temperature of food. This air fryer offers 9 cooking functions, making it suitable for various cooking methods such as frying, baking, grilling, and roasting. With its large 8-quart capacity, this air fryer can comfortably accommodate up to a 6-pound whole chicken, making it ideal for families or meal prepping. The unit operates at a maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, providing the capability to achieve crispy, delicious results without the need for excess oil. Number 5. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Compact is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to enhance your cooking experience. It features a brushed stainless steel exterior, giving it a sleek and modern look that can complement any kitchen decor. This air fryer is not only compact in size but also packed with multiple cooking functions, allowing you to bake, air fry, roast, and even reheat your favorite meals. The unique heating system ensures that your food is cooked evenly and to perfection. With its powerful convection fan, it circulates hot air around the food, producing a crispy texture without the need for excessive oils or fats. The oven comes with multiple cooking presets, making it easy to select the perfect settings for your dishes, whether you're making fries, chicken wings, or baking cookies. The digital display is user-friendly, enabling you to monitor cooking times and temperatures accurately. So, there you have it. The creme de la creme of countertop cooking for 2026. Whether you chose the raw power of the Ninja, the smart tech genius of the Breville Joule, or the budget-friendly value of the Instant Omni, you really can't go wrong with any of these top picks.